How do I check if my Samsung Smart TV is compatible with Android TV?
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can check if your Samsung Smart TV is compatible with Android TV. This is important if you want to access Android apps and games on your Samsung TV.
What is the difference between Samsung Smart TV and Android TV?
First, let's understand the difference between Samsung Smart TV and Android TV. Samsung Smart TVs run on the company's own operating system called Tizen. On the other hand, Android TV is an operating system developed by Google, specifically designed for smart TVs and media players.
Is my Samsung Smart TV compatible with Android TV?
Unfortunately, Samsung Smart TVs are not natively compatible with Android TV. This is because Samsung TVs come with the Tizen OS, which doesn't support Android apps directly. However, there are alternative ways to access Android apps on your Samsung TV.
How can I access Android apps on my Samsung Smart TV?
To access Android apps on your Samsung Smart TV, you can use an external Android TV box or an Android TV stick. These devices plug into your TV's HDMI port and allow you to access the Android TV operating system, complete with the Google Play Store and all the Android apps you love. Here's what you need to do. 1. Purchase an Android TV box or stick from a reputable retailer. 2. Connect the device to your Samsung Smart TV's HDMI port. 3. Set up the device following the on-screen instructions. 4. Enjoy Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV. While your Samsung Smart TV may not be natively compatible with Android TV, you can still enjoy Android apps and games using an external device like an Android TV box or stick. We hope this video has been helpful, and you can now access Android apps on your Samsung Smart TV with ease. Happy streaming!